Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video. So in this video, you can probably tell from the title, we are going to be talking about the Ring keypad. Yes, the Ring keypad. So there's security system keypad. I've had mine for, it's gotta be almost a year by now. It came included with the whole kit with the Ring security system, and the keypad decided to start acting a little bit funny. It failed, and I'm going to show you how it failed, and I'm going to show you I guess the reinstall of the keypad. So we'll get straight into it here. This is the keypad, and I don't know whether it matters whether I show you the location of my house where the keypad is, but this is where I had it. I liked it here. There was actually a phone jack that used to be here, and you know, in today's day and age, nobody uses those anymore. So I ended up putting the double-sided tape on that. I thought it was a good location. I also had the plug over here, so I had the USB cable with their supplied USB adapter right here. I had it plugged in there, and I just had it permanently plugged in. Well, I want to show you guys what happened to this thing. So it stopped working, and I ended up unplugging it out of the wall, and it came back to life. I had to like reset it. I unplugged it and then plugged it back in, and then it came back to life. But what ended up happening is it stopped working completely, and look at how bad it's got, you guys. And this thing just, I guess there's an internal battery on this, and it's kind of scary actually. Like I said, Ring took care of this, but I do want to make you guys aware of this because I don't know how bad. Do you guys remember all the issues with cell phone batteries catching on fire and all that kind of stuff? Well, look at that. The battery, internal battery inside of this keypad literally has expanded, and I'm not going to open this up. I'm going to let them do that, but it is expanded to the point where it's pushing the buttons up. Like the buttons are, you know, all out of whack on the keypad. The back of it, if I hold it on this profile, you can probably see I do have fisheye on this camera, so it's a little bit hard to show you, but look at it. I'm telling you guys, it's bowed like crazy. So this thing is bowed out like a good, I don't know, ½ inch overall, like a quarter of an inch at least on each side, and it is toast. So I don't know whether it was the charger that failed, overcooked the battery. I'm not gonna stick around to find out what the deal is with that. But ironically, and I'll get into this on a separate video for you guys, I wanna focus on this. They sent me a brand new keypad, so thanks again to them for, you know, taking care of what failed. But I'm just letting you guys know my honest opinion on this. And this I'll explain in another video, but if you guys want to subscribe to the channel, this also failed on my system, and they sent me a replacement. So I'm gonna do that separate video. But here's a new keypad from Ring. So let me go ahead, open this up. You guys already know what it's gonna look like. There's no surprise there. If you guys are familiar with the Ring systems, it's not gonna be, you know, any surprise. So the nice part is this should be fairly straightforward to replace, I believe, you know, the keypad itself, but I think that's gonna be a different story. They're gonna have to reprogram the whole system, which I'm not looking forward to, but I guess I have to do it. So as I jiggle this thing out of the box, this is what she looks like inside. And we got a brand new one. So I don't think they've updated anything. It looks identical. Yeah, it looks pretty similar. Actually, the font actually looks a little bit different. Not that it matters by any means, but see how this one, all the keys are a little bit darker. These ones are a little lighter, but other than that, let's see if she looks any different. It looks very similar to me, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take this, and this might be a good video for you guys to see just how easy these things are to install. So I'm gonna go over here, and what I am going to do is I'm gonna reuse my old bracket that's up on the wall, but you pretty much just scan this QR code. So let me get my phone and I'll show you guys that process. Okay, so I'm gonna open up our Ring app, and I'm gonna go up to devices. I'm gonna delete the old keypad since it's offline. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'll go to settings. I'm gonna go remove. So if you guys can see there, remove. And remove. Trying to listen in for the device, but it's dead, so let me try to figure that one out. Okay, so actually I looked in under advanced options. If you click there, remove failed device, and then it'll remove it. So it's not gonna ask you to try to push a number on the keypad. It was trying to get me to push number 1 on the keypad, which obviously that's not gonna work if the thing is completely dead. So there we go, now it's gonna remove it, and we'll get to the fun stuff of adding the new one. So there you go, on the bottom it says device removed successfully. We're gonna hit done. Then I'm gonna go set up new device. We're gonna go security devices. We're gonna go keypads. I guess keypad for Ring Alarm 2nd generation? No. It is this looking one, so the top one. We're gonna say ready, scan QR code. So we'll do that. I'm gonna scan this QR code. Use this code. It already found it. Plug in the keypad is what it says, so I'll plug it into the wall. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and we'll plug this in, and it's gonna light up, and we'll follow the instructions on the app. So right now on the app, a little circle is spinning around. It says adding device, configuring device, device added, tap here to finish setting it up. So go ahead, assign the rooms, all that fun stuff, whatever, no room assigned. And that's pretty much it. Keypad, you can name it, whatever. That's pretty much it. Continue, success, and done. So that's it, you guys. My new keypad is back online, and I can go ahead and I'm gonna mount it back up where I had it, and hopefully this one lasts a little bit longer than the last one. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll slide it back into position where I had it, and I'm gonna tuck my little wire up nice. So I don't know, let me know in the comments how you guys have yours. I'd be curious to know what you guys did. I mean, one of the reasons why I don't have this at the doorway is because I guess technically I could put this over near a garage doorway or that type of thing, but what I was starting to say is the reason why I don't have it at the front door or something like that is because my keypad for my actual house, my schlog, it actually is, the keypad is the actual code. So I arm and disarm the system with that. So it's kind of nice how that works. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tuck this over here. Like I said, you guys can do it however you please, but this is kind of my little way of doing it. I guess you could probably get a little more official with the wiring setup, but I just kind of tucked it back there and I was fine and happy with it that way. So that's it, she's back online. All right guys, so the keypad is back up and running. Really not a whole lot to see there. You guys already know how it works and it's pretty basic function, but I did just want to make this video mainly to show you that it failed. Like I said, I'm going to keep it 100% honest with you guys on this channel, keep you up to date with all the different tech stuff and all the different stuff that we do on this channel, and also going to be showing you some other stuff. So like I said, I am going to be getting to this main base station reinstall, I guess. Not really looking forward to that. I'm gonna double check with Ring and the tech support to see if there's any way that I can just transfer the information. I'm assuming I gotta start from square one, which I'm not looking forward to because like I said, my lock on the front door is actually synced in with everything. So I'm assuming I have to reprogram the whole thing and try to remember how I did that and all that stuff. But keep you guys up to date on that. I'll show you guys how I do that, and we'll walk you right through the whole thing again. So if you did like this video or found it informative, make sure you give it a thumbs up for me. It does help YouTube and the algorithm to get this video shown, and I do appreciate it. And also hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so you guys are notified of all the latest videos. We'll see you guys on the next video.